Ano, pindot ko na pala. So, here's the entrance of Donkey. It's like a hotel. It's look, dami namang sasakyan. Pero if you look at it, there's hardly people entering. Like, very few. But there's lots of car parked. So, Don Donkey. Welcome to Donkey. Hote. Donkey. Hote. Don Donkey. There's a music. Oh, there's no more music. They removed the music. People are complaining about it. Ayan ang Donkey. So everything is Japanese products. Guam. Yes, a village of Donkey. Nice. So they have Guam product also. Guam chocolates. Guam. Ayun, the music started. So we have the makeup area where Tenshi loves to buy. Everything is Japanese. I think it's Japanese product. So Tsubaki, $20. Tsubaki set, but it's small. So it's big. Look all the way there. Whee! So they have all the products. Here. This is cute. Hello Kitty product. Look at the floor. Saan kaya si Is? So, fine quality skin toner. What is skin toner? So cheap. Skin lotion. Wow. I'll buy this one. Okay. I'll buy two. So, hinaano nila yung music nila. But expensive. I think it's expensive compared to Japan, huh? So, I'll post it.